This is Manjuna Chandraya. Today we'll be learning how to use a unique function in Excel. I have a small data with the region, items and the price. So we need to find a unique value in the column B. Here are the unique values. They may be repeated. I need the unique values. Let's try. UNI unique. One bracket. Select the range and close the bracket. So now we got all the unique regions in column B. Let's say I want to get the range of from the year or till here. I mean B to D column. I need to find the unique values. Let's start. So unique one bracket. So select the entire range. I need to find the unique in this. Now you can see that anything is not the north and north laptop. It's not repeated anywhere in this column. So you got all the unique values. Say I want to find the unique which is not repeated twice in this range. For that you can use the same unique function. Unique from bracket, select the range. Once you select the range, give a comma, can give one more comma. So here it asks you to return the items that appears exactly once. So we need to get the items which are exactly once repeated, not repeated twice. So let's put the true here. Close the bracket, hit enter. So it gives you the values which is not repeated in this data. We can get a number of information using this unique function. I hope this function was helpful. Let me know for any other function so that I can create a video in future. And thank you for your time. Happy learning.